It's Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money. Let me tell you this. We have been mining this Hamster Kombat, and some people are doing it in the right way, while others are not doing it in the right way. Let me tell you this. If you are doing this particular thing that I'm going to mention here, these three things that I'm going to mention in this video, it simply means that your Combat account is at risk. Okay, if you are doing these three things that I'm about to tell you right now, it simply means that your account is at risk, and I'm going to tell you something that you must do in order to prevent all those things, because we all know what happened when TapSwap started deleting or blocking people from using their app. We all know what happened, and I don't want you guys to be victim of this. You know, Hamster Kombat is trickish. They know what they're doing, and you might think that you are winning until this happened to you. Then you will understand that you are losing everything that you work for. Okay, so let's go Telegram. Let me share with you what you're supposed to do in order to be in the safer hand. Okay, if you haven't joined us here, I welcome our new members. If this is the first time coming across my video, what you need to do is to like, share and comment. Okay, it helped me a lot to create more video like this. So let's go. Let me share with you what I mean. So now we are on Telegram right now, and let me tell you something that you must do. Okay, so guys, I want to make this more than 3, okay, because a lot of people are passing through this because of ignorance. Okay, so what I'm going to tell you guys is one of a friend who got blocked from Telegram. This is direct from Telegram. They block him because of this. Okay, I'm going to tell you this. So once you come to my Telegram group, okay, this is my channel. Once you come here, you're going to learn a lot from us here. Okay, that's the reason why I said that you can join us right now. The link is in the description. So see what this guy did here. So you can see that Telegram just finished me. You can see what the guy said here. Broom, he has 75k, and TapSwap 68.8 million. Then Hamster 1.85 million pph is the sex.io, and is 395k, and simple coin is 527k. MeMeFi is 48.24 million. Pixvas is 37 million. Then the Bitcoin is 8.5 million, and others. Account banned. I labored in vain. You can see this, and I don't want you to be like this guy. So that's the reason why I got this information for you. Okay, so you can see this one pass heartbroke. Okay, because if you know how much this guy is going to make from this is more than enough. So the account got bound because, one, I want you guys to desist from sending invitation link on Telegram. A lot of people, once you come to group, because some of this group has bots, okay, and these bots will block you once you send invitation link. It happened to me then when I don't know anything. Okay, so please don't send any link to Telegram. Don't even to chat with people. Safe, I don't even chat with people unless my members. Once you ask me any question, I will tell you to come to WhatsApp. Let's talk there. Okay, so that's first thing. Be very careful to how you chat with people on Telegram group. That's what I'm saying. You need to be very careful on how you chat to people. How you chat to people. Don't chat people anyhow, because some people will block you, and once you keep blocked like 5-10 times, you're going to be blocked by Telegram. So be careful. Stop spamming both group and private group. Don't spam people. Okay, extra measures. In fact, no need to chat anyone on Telegram privately. Okay, no need. Don't even try it, because all those things is things that will land you in problem like this guy. You can see that millions of dollars. You can see this is millions of dollars that this guy lost here. And the funny part of it is that even if Telegram later release your account, they will wipe everything about that account, every information, both your mining app, everything. They are going to wipe it out. Okay, like I said, this happened to me years back when I don't know anything about Telegram on and how they are work. So please don't be like this guy. Try to do what I ask you guys to do. Don't send any message to anybody privately. Okay, don't send any message. Instead, you can chat in the main group. Okay, you can chat in the main group, but chatting privately, don't try it. You are going to get banned. Okay, so please, let's go to another one. Don't think that you are smarter than Hamster Kombat. Okay, don't think that you are smarter than them. They are smarter than us. That's the reason why they are giving us all this combo and cipher of a thing. Okay, so what you must do when you come to Hamster Combat, don't do these three things. Okay, and number two is the most important thing. Okay, so make sure that you watch from beginning to the end. One, please, if you are making use of three accounts in your one Telegram account, please delete two. I repeat, delete two. Like I click on this three line here, and then you can see that I have only one account here. You can see it here. Please, if you are making use of two accounts, please delete one, or if you are making use of three accounts, please delete two. Reason is because those guys have trackers that are tracking your AP address. Like, you think that you are smart until the listing day, you will see that a lot of people are going to be disqualified. Reason is because you are cheating the platform. Okay, so what do I mean by saying that you are cheating the platform? What I mean is that once you use two or three accounts in one particular account, it simply means that they are going to be recording your AP address, and that your AP address, they will know that you are making use of one account, that one person owns two or three accounts in one phone, and which is a call cheat. Okay, so once you do that, you are going to, your account is at risk. So what you are going to do in order to be in safer hand, always come to this place. You can see settings. Okay, once you click on settings, you click on this three line here, you can see what I'm touching. Okay, click on log out. Okay, so once you click on log out, the first thing you should do before you log out that particular account is to click on this clear cache. Okay, make sure that you clear your cache. Okay, that's what you will do. Then after that, you log out here by clicking on log out. So that's what you should do. That's one and first one. Secondly, another one is, if you are making use of auto clicker, please make sure you uninstall that auto clicker. And how to do that is, once you come to your auto clicker, you locate your auto clicker. Okay, like let me share with you how you can do that. So once I come to this my Telegram right here, so what I'm going to do is to click and hold. Okay, so once you click and hold, come to this app information, and once you come to app information, come to storage and cache. So once you come to storage and cache, then make sure that you clear everything here. Okay, so what this means is that once you clear your cache, it simply means that those guys will no longer track you, because you have clear things that store your information. Okay, that's the one thing you should do. So you do it in your auto clicker, click on that, click on information, clear the cache. Okay, so once you clear it, you need to uninstall it. Okay, don't even try to cheat those guys, because the reason why a lot of people don't make money on this airdrop or all this airdrop is because you think that you are cheating them without knowing that they are taking record of anything you are doing. Okay, so the next thing you are going to do, which is number 3, okay, make sure that once you click on your Hamster Kombat, Let's go there. Let me share with you something. So you can see that I have 2.11 million pph, that's profit per hour. You can see it here. Okay, so what you should do whenever you are here is very simple. I'm going to cover more video on this, but in order to avoid anything that will make them to ban your account, that's what I'm sharing today. Okay, in order to avoid that, the next thing that you must do is to come to this airdrop here. Once you click on airdrop, you come to tone. Okay, you need to connect your tone. This is the secret. A lot of people are going to make use of one address. Okay, a lot of people are going to use one address to connect 3 or 4 tone. That's the problem. Those guys are smarter than us. I keep saying this. Those guys are smarter than us. So once you use one address to connect these 3 accounts, or connect 4 accounts, or connect 2 accounts, they are going to know. Okay, they are going to discover that, and those guys is going to surprise a lot of people. Those guys are going to surprise a lot of people, because do you know thousands or millions of people that are tapping the way you are tapping? Do you know millions of people tapping the way you are tapping? And they are going to reduce that by removing some people. Okay, if they find you do or cheating on this platform, they are going to remove you. So they are not going to tell you right now. Just wait until the listing day or on the claiming day. That's the time you will know that those guys are smarter more than us. Okay, so in order to be in safer hand, try to have like 2 phone. Okay, have 2 phone, and once you have 2 phone, make sure that you use different wallet address. Okay, you can use Tonekeeper, you can use other tone wallets, and once you make use of it, connect it differently. And another most important thing that you must do is to make sure that you have your gas fee right now. Okay, have like $10 worth of tone on different accounts if you must make use of different accounts, because a lot of us have like 2 3 4 accounts. So if you must do that, make sure that you have tone as gas fee. Okay, so what you are going to do is to make sure that you copy your tone address and go to where you have tone. Okay, like you can go to Bybit or Binance. Once you there, you can convert your USDT to tone, and then you can send it to your tone keeper. Okay, so make sure you take note of all these things that I'm telling you right now. Okay, so another most important thing you must do, what? The another most important thing that you must do is this. Okay, like we connected this right now, but we don't know whether this has already been successfully connected to our tone keeper or tone wallet. Okay, so what you need to do in order to be in the safer hand is this. Let's go back. Let me share with you this, because they say that no knowledge is waste. And please, if you are not smashing that subscription button, start destroying that subscription button right now. Okay, keep destroying it, keep destroying that subscription button. Give me thumb up, and also like and comment. Okay, like and comment, please. I'm begging you, like and comment. So the next thing that you must check in order to qualify for this airdrop is this. So what you are going to do, let's go to our tone keeper. Let me share with you what you must check. Let's go. I come to my tone keeper right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to come to this browser. You can see where I'm touching. Come to browser. So once I come to browser, the next thing that I'm going to do is to come to this connect. You can see where I'm touching. So once I click on connect, I'm going to see all the wallet, okay, all the mining app that I have connected to my tone keeper. Okay, this is it. You can see that Hamster Kombat is one of them. Okay, you can see it here. Hamster Kombat is one of them. Try and do this so that you know that you are in the right track. Okay, so let me drop it here, okay, because I still have a lot of secret that I'm going to share with you. The secrets that made me 2 point something million profit per hour within weeks. Okay, I have some secret that I will share with you. So what you are going to do right now is to make sure that you subscribe and also join my WhatsApp group and also join my Telegram group. Okay, all the link is in the description. Make sure that you join us so that we are going to coach you on how you can make thousands of dollars using the strategy that you have been using. Okay, so remember that all of us are here just to make money, and if you join the group, it's free of charge. You are going to learn a lot that will help you to generate a lot of money. See you guys at the top.